Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to lock chat in WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are inside the WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you can head over to any conversation with whom you want to lock the chats. You can select any conversation. Once you're in the chat space, you can see the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. It'll open up the profile of this contact. If you scroll down, over here you can see this chat log option. Now in order to lock your chat with this contact, you can enable this option. In the right hand side, you can see this enable or disable icon. Right now it is disabled. So in order to enable this, tap on it. It'll ask you for the confirmation that if you want to lock this chat, you can tap on this continue button. Now you need to enter your fingerprints or your security lock. After that, tap on continue again. And there you go. Now the chat with this contact will be locked. The conversation with this contact will be now hidden from your device. So that's it. That's how you can lock chats in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.